Hello, we are going to show how we are doing a changes and update the changes to our Azure cloud. Let's see. We here forget to change the in our forget to change in our chat app. Here you can see front end apps conversation and the discussion in chat section. Now we are going to change it and see in live in action. Let's see how we're going to do it. Process is simple. When I made changes, here is my code, and we're going to change it. See web previous history record. See, sidebar. We have made our. What is the sidebar? Here you can see there is consultation. I'm just copying for name, but actually it's this is not the changes. Actually, conversation to consultation. Is it? It should be in uppercase. Now we have changed it to consultations and discussion to advisement. Discussion to advisement. So see our file prompt list has been changed and now we have to commit it for to the git. How do you detect the change? Look, the color has been changed. Now I am on the directory that is working. Look, I'm gonna check which I may change. Yeah, it's changed on this file. Now I will add it. I can simply add git add. This will do the same. I will give a commit message. User chat, the chat conversation, discussion, change. Now it git push. After now it's clean and we will gonna see it's pushed here. Here is the our repository that I already added the user to, and look, here is a effect ongoing. The color. This is the commit we made. Look, user chat conversation discuss that we put it on the terminal. Now when I click to these details, this is the change, and here is an action executing. We're gonna see what's going on. Look, there is doing something. This is called automated deployment using git action flow, and it's deploying to another. It's creating an image for Docker. Let's give it as time. Here I'm going to portal Azure in meantime also, but not it was not the first one. When it's done compiling, this thing working, look, it's building the application. And it's taking time. You can see details what's going on. Now it's a look, it's a run docker build chat pdf file. This docker file is going to build, and it's will overall finish. So actually it's creating an image for docker. It's running. Here is the docker. You can see this is, look, this pushed 3 hours ago, but we will see when it's complete. We'll see the update here immediate. It's take time. No, I think so. Then login automatic, and then push to. This is called GID, automated deployment. And then the job is completed. And when the job is completed, it's, and look, we will reload the Docker Hub. And you see, last pushed a few seconds ago. So it's already built. Now we are going. We are on terminal. Look here, we are in terminal. Okay, I have to switch up. In terminal, we will check what is our deployment list. So we have updated the image, and then we have to also update our deployment. This is the deployment client DPL. Look, it's updated 5, but what is going to, we need to update the deployment. But first, let's check how does the deployment created. Now I'm going to show you a code. This is the Kubernetes code or the YML file. Look, the client DPL, the client, and the container here. Look, my repository called Docker repository. Chat PDF from that as I have shown you in previously. Here, you see, this is we are loading. So we have updated. We must update the deployment also. So let's get back for deployment. Update the deployment here. I'm gonna just give a command kubectl rollout restart deployment client dpl. Just copying it. So it's reload from and refetch from the Docker hub. Now we will check that we have pod created. Our pod will be updated also. Pods. It's running. Look, where is the client dpl? This is the pod running. Is 12 seconds only. So we get the update. Now let's reload our client side part. Here we're gonna see to log out the application, and I'm gonna log in again. It's the demo user. Yeah, it's changes. It made changes. So we consultation to advancement, and we have made changes this perfectly. That's it. Thank you. We can check out again. Look what is going on. So this is actually a step-by-step process for all others deployments, like the backend application, the build vector, and we can. in our admin side. Let's check consultation, advertisement, student, all are updated. So the procedure is not as simple, but we have to write a lot of things to do client DPL and all our deployment files. We have a lot of backend deployment. This is a backend application deployment. So you can see the backend deployment file. Sorry, I missed. Okay, what is this? And here you can see all the deployments here. Admin child deploy. All deploys are deployed on the Kubernetes, the cluster, and this cluster is the. We can show you that which cluster we are using for the application. We're going to Azure portal, and here is the chat PDF dev. This is the cluster we use for our the application part, not the vectors. And you can see here service and ingress. Look, here is the deployments are MySQL, WPA, client server, and look, this is how we are showing. And all are associated Kubernetes deployed. WordPress, backup deployment, Corn. That's it. Thank you.